Okay, so it's the next day and today I'm going to start the process of repainting these wooden walls that I've told you about yesterday. So they definitely need a second coat of the paint and I'm very eager to do that today.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you
I'm really taking my time to just enjoy the process.
that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? Then will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me? And will you get bored of killing me?
Okay, this entire wall is now done. I'm going to wait for it to dry and see if I have to do some touch-ups, but it's looking great. And I still have this part here to do, just a smaller part, as you can see, but I'm going to take a little break and prepare myself a cup of hot tea and just enjoy this moment, and then I'm back to work. I have this Organic India Tulsi Original Stress Relieving and Boost Immunity Caffeine Free tea, so I'm going to try it out for the first time today. It does have a very, very pleasant scent. So I picked some fresh flowers from the garden to bring some spring atmosphere in my lovely home. How gorgeous is this? I also have 2 palm leaves.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky. Just
Hey guys, so I'm done with cleaning and decorating my kitchen. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Make sure to press thumbs up and subscribe for more cleaning videos, motivational videos. I hope this was inspiring and that you liked watching it. I'm super happy I created like my little paradise here because it's very lovely with all these spring flowers and everything. Now I'm just going to prepare myself a cup of hot tea and start working on this video. And I will continue with cleaning my house. The project continues. Next I'm going to clean and decorate my hallway. So keep watching. I'm sending you a big kiss from Croatia. Bye bye.